G'day everyone and welcome back to my final video for 2021. I've been busy preparing for next year, and in January I've got a whole bunch of resources for anyone who wants to try nature journaling for the first time, or if you want to improve your skills already in nature journaling. So let's have a sneak preview of what's to come. First up is the 31 ideas prompt list that I will release on the 1st of January on both Instagram and my website, and links will be in the description below. This list can be done as a challenge or just as a checklist to work through. I've designed it so you have a new subject to try every day in January, for example, as a New Year's resolution. Or you can just pick and choose whatever takes your fancy. Well, if you only have time on the weekends to nature journal, then this list will last you at least 6 months. This list will give you ideas for what to nature journal and give you some new techniques to try. And I've organised them to progress in difficulty to boost your confidence as you complete them. Let me know in the comments below if you're giving it a try, and let's follow everyone's progress using the hashtag #TryNatureJournaling. I'll also be releasing videos every Friday in January under the theme of how to overcome common obstacles when starting nature journaling. I'll cover topics such as not knowing how to draw, what to do if you're stuck for ideas, or just can't go out in nature. I'll be demonstrating in real time how I nature journal some of the prompts from the checklist as well. If you have any questions you'd like me to make a video on, then leave a comment below or on Instagram and I'll see what I can do to help you. The last goodie I've prepared for you is a PDF ebook that ties in with my previous video, The Quick Guide to Nature Journaling, that I'd recommend watching if you haven't already, as it outlines in 7 simple steps what you need to get started, and it's a great way to prepare for the January challenge. Now, while the video is great to watch to see the steps and get a quick idea for what to do, the ebook supplements this so you can refer to the materials you need and the steps without having to re-watch the video. I hope you find it useful, and let me know if you have any suggestions for improving it. Alright, so I hope you're excited about getting stuck into some nature journaling and for all these resources to help you get up and running, because I can't wait to share them with you and see everyone's progress. Happy New Year, everyone!